Just will come here and make that commitment in front of this camera that it is the same thing. We are not backing off. The issue is Ayenda must go, and second is Onyapidi must go. Must go.
We were here last Friday to present our petition to the Land Registrar, the contents of which are within your knowledge. The Land Registrar has been bringing laws which are contrary to laid down procedure in us receiving services at that land registry. We had invited him for a sit down. He has refused to meet us. He refused to give assent to our demands. He did a response letter to us telling us that nothing will change. In fact, he just dismissed us using a letter which we just received today. And that is why we are here today, to exercise our right to picket and demonstrate and tell the Land Registrar, Mr. Charles Ayenda, that he must leave this station. We have had some challenges since we began our demonstration today. At the court area, you witnessed advocates being tear-gassed. Advocates were manhandled, albeit doing their peaceful demonstrations. This is very peaceful. Why were the police tear-gassing the advocates? Now we are here. We wanted to go in front of the Land Registry, but we've been blocked by orders from the OCS and whatever the above means. So we want to engage the OCS and his officers. We need them to give their unequivocal assurance that they shall do their mandate of giving us security so that we can exercise our constitutional rights.
My name is Nyangacha, and I am one of those who are agitating for the removal of the Land Registrar from Kisii County. We did give our Land Registrar petition. I think you noticed he's an arrogant man. You saw that from how he handled us. Today you will notice that we were holding out peaceful demonstrations as per the Constitution. We came here today, we were picketing, we were doing our peaceful demonstrations before we were tear-gassed by the orders of the OCS Kisii. We want to say that we are not going to down our tools. Mr. Ayenda must go.
My name is Okema Steve, an advocate practicing under the Southwest Region LSK Society of Kenya. It is very unfortunate that we can give a notice which we are mandated to give and not to seek for permission from the police. And then the police show up on the day we are set to picket, and then they tell us they cannot grant our request. Mind you, we were not seeking for permission, we just notified them for them to protect us. To make it more unfortunate, they go ahead to tear gas us. Just look at me, members of the press. Is this a weapon? It ain't a weapon. And for that reason, we are going to seek damages for the troubles caused to our eyes and throats from the OCS personally. If we cannot bear that, we are going for the National Police Service. We cannot allow this country to be done the way it is done by people who do not know what they are employed to do. We will teach them a lesson. We will sue them personally.
Here is not a dumping site. I have to confirm this. Kisii is not a dumping site. And those who thought that Kisii was a dumping site, we are sorry. Today we are confirming as the Law Society of Kenya that Ayenda must go. I also have to confirm to members, it's not a matter of Ayenda going. Ayenda must go home. It is time to retire. Ayenda must go. Ayenda must go.
We as the service deliverers for ordinary mwananchi, we are not pleased. Our list of demands, which is in the petition which we provided last week, must be met. It must be met. We have to have searches being issued, bila a lot of conditions. We have to have our green cards being issued. The Land Registrar must respect court summons, akitwa pale atoe ushahidi kotini. The Land Registrar must see the advocates who wish to see him in chambers. And in short, the Land Registrar must just leave this place. Now, notice goes out to the police force. We love you as our protectors. And remember, pia nyinyi maaskari, you are affected by the Land Registrar. Mkifanya investigation zenu, anawanyimanga search. Sana wanyimanga search. Sinafaa pia nyinyi mkuje mtusaidie kuambia afanye venye anafaa kufanya. You are also affected and yet you are the one standing between us na kumtoa huko ndani. Lakini hata tu ajue Monday tuko hapa. Tuesday tuko hapa. We shall not relent.
We shall not relent.
Notice has been issued of our picketing. The police protect us at all costs next week.
Omo land registrar oyaba advocate twa kolira maandamano rero lyabe lya kabere. Omo land registrar etokobori buna arushiguga asarenge korwa igakorete obokoreri butaisanegeti abantu banyandarwa ekerare tubosongo ochire n'amachiko nechinchira ekitaisanegeti aba advocate na abanyana bamiliki bamaremo ntu ringana tubwatase chinyomba chechinga seti mogo toirera eserekari yeto nerimo na ayenda agendenka aruga usitarie dumping site yaba officer bari batabwati obokoreria bogoisana rero nande ntwarora amandamana ito twari guchaka kurwe court twarwete notice esaine lakini twakwa Teargas njo monyene na apimwe Teargas yankuna ntwabwate bobe nonde igo twabegete bintu toko kichibibu chyoka enere esila yagara na kwe Teargas obo taro kobeke suti na kwagara na kwe Teargas mu advocate tayorete de monto kuruisiko ore gocha gukora maandamano ebirero byeto mbiri bibi yaserero ebirero byeto nebimo ayenda aruase land registry abosongo obokoreri bore bobobuya.
We are gathered here today to exercise our constitutional right. The officer, the land registrar who has been sent to Kisii is not serving the public the way it is required. It is our right as advocate to serve the public. It is the right of the public to get services and qualified condition. We have tried our best to try to talk to the land registrar. He's avoided us. He's insulting lawyers. He's mistreating the members of the public. That kind of person has no room in Kisii. He has had problem elsewhere. Kisii land registry is not a registry for rejects. I know there's an indication that he has protection elsewhere. He feels he has godfathers, but we'll smoke him out. We are here today to smoke him out.
Even a simple search, you cannot manage to procure a simple search because he requires so much that is not within the law. He will require you to procure an original title deed to the land registry. He'll even go further to, if you want to put a caution on a land, he will require you to bring physically the person to whom you want to place a caution against. I don't know where he gets those rules from. We have severally tried to engage him. Officially, we have done letters through our chairperson, LSK. He had declined the meetings. He himself scheduled a meeting, but he did not attend. He did not honor his own meeting that he scheduled, claiming that he was in another meeting and he could not make it. So he has even gone further to insult the advocates of the Southwest branch that we are fraudsters, and therefore people, why we are here is because citizens trust us with their briefs. Those briefs are not ours. When they trust us with our expertise, they expect that we do due diligence and give them the services that they deserve. But the land registry, being the custodian of the land documents that we require, now the land registrar is treating the office as his own home, his own bedroom, and we cannot allow that. We will not be intimidated by whatever that just happened. The Teargas have been thrown to us. We were doing peaceful demonstration. The OCS even requested us to hold or to stand for him to address us. We were calm. He did address us. He said that he was doing a request that we hold our demonstration till after 3 days. Then we told him, because that response just came now, that we have already planned our demonstrations and we had a specific place that we are going to, that's the land registry. We cannot now engage that way because this is our right, and we actually notified as the law requires. We were not seeking permission from him, but he ordered his police officers to tear gas us. They were even pointing guns at us. That's unacceptable. This will not stop us from going on. We'll proceed, we'll continue We will fight for our rights. We will clean this county to be a best place for everyone.
Ayenda must go!
Ayenda must go! Ayenda must go! Ayenda must go! Ayenda must go! Ayenda must go! Ayenda must go! Ayenda must go! Ayenda must go!